Good morning children, welcome to our socialization of our class. In this lesson we have to learn about that last session about that veterinary hospital, primary health center and sub-centers, about that post offices, Gram Panchayat office and what are the social institutions in villages. We have to learn in that. What is the social institutions means you should know that like that our blacksmiths, carpenters, porters, weavers, tailor, those their occupations they have to done by the villages. We have to learn about that last lesson. And the post office works activities we have to learn about that primary health centers and veterinary. Now in this session we have to learn about that bank, school, water tanks, places of worships, and the last one that transports. We have to learn in this session this one. Now first we have to learn about the banks. Do you know banks? Why we use the banks? We have to keep the money, we have to deposit, and we have to taking money from the banks. See, nowadays villages also have bank facilities. These banks are known as Gramin banks. Yes, in villages also have banks nowadays, but in the earlier time they don't have any this type of facilities in the village. Because of that, that time not developed properly. They have to develop it in the cities. Nowadays villages also have well developed, and in the villages also have banks. That is called, that bank name is that Gramin banks. And in addition to helping villages and save their money, such banks also offer loans with the option of the repayment in easy installments. In the banks means we have to keep, we have our money is the safest place. We have to keep in the banks our money. Nowadays in villages also have, that is Gramin banks. The Gramin banks also addition to helping the villagers. This Gramin banks also helps to the villagers. How they are helping to the villagers? To the villagers save their money, and such as they have to give an offer to the loans, that who the villagers to offer to the loans. Which bank? The Gramin banks. And that the people, those who are taking the loan, that they given to option. Which one? Bankers are given to option to repayment in easy installment. Repayment in easy installment. Suppose we have to take 2 lakhs for the Gramin bank. They have to give it to 20 months, 30 months. You should complete your pay the repayment installment. Suppose 5,000, 4,000. We have to keep in bank every month. They have to give in the date. In that date before only we have to deposit in the bank's installment. That they are Gramin banks offer to the villagers to give into the loans, and again they have to pay monthly wise repayment easily in the installments. Next one, that school. Yes, school is that important, very important in the village, because of almost all villages have primary schools with the teachers and support staff. Some villages have secondary schools also. Yes, that's important, very important. What is that? School. Every village have a primary schools. In that big village, so many 500, 600 village also have, means they have to give in to the permission to secondary high school. Primary school means 1 to 5th classes. They have to run in the villages. Next, they have to send it to the major Gram Panchayat. In that major Gram Panchayat, primary schools and secondary high schools also there. Secondary high school means 6th to 10th. Secondary high schools also there. In that every village have a primary schools, and they have to, in the school who are the staff, the teachers will start to us the lessons, and supporting staff also there, like principal or HM, PET, fuel, and administrative departments. They are the school fee. In that, water tanks. How can we get the water from the villages? Water tanks. Then we have to, nowadays the villagers also build the water tanks to supply from the tap only. In the earlier time, we don't have this type of facility in the villages. All the members go into that. We have to dig in the wells and we have to take from the water only for drinking. Nowadays, in that village Gram Panchayat, head of the person will arrange the water tanks and they provide to that home to home, house to house from the taps only. They give it to day by day or daily one time. They have to give it a time. On the time only they have to start the taps. Then on the time we have to getting water from the taps. The taps will given to water to drinking. That is the filter water will supplying. Who will look after that? Gram Panchayat and ward members look after to the send to the clean water to the villages. How can the villages build the water tanks and water tanks, the clean drinking water stored in water tanks. Which water will stored in the water tanks? The filter water stored in the water tanks. After that water tanks to send to the in the village to house. That's only the water is the distribution day by day or daily. That works we will look after Gram Panchayati workers or municipality workers. I will show some pictures to you. This is the Grameen Bank picture. In every village have. They also offer to the loans to the people. This is the school, primary school in that every village have. In that this is that water tanks. In the water tanks, which water will stored? The clean water will stored. The place is called water tanks. After that water will send to the taps on the taps clean water for drinking. I will say something to you. Clean drinking water is stored in water tanks. It is then supplied to house through the pipes and taps. And water is treated as a chemical called chlorine. Chemical called chlorination water. This is they supplied to the house to house. Chlorination from the tap. The chlorination water will send in, which kills germs in the water. This purified water is supplied to the houses. Maintenance of the water tanks is the responsibility of the Gram Panchayat. Who is the responsibility for the water tanks? The Gram Panchayat responsibility for the Gram Panchayat. Water tanks will responsible to look after the water tanks. For that, who will look after? Gram Panchayat will look after. Next, places of worships. Places of worship means we have to go to our places worships for that temple. Yes. The villagers go to their respective places of worship to offer prayers. Priests look after the places of worship and help people in performing prayers. Yes, villagers go to the respective their people of worships. We are Hindus. Where we go? Yes, the Hindus are mostly going to the temples. Lord Venkateshwara or Krishna, Shiva or anything. They have to go to that their respective places they will go. And they have to worship on the place. And they pray to the God on the time. Who will look after the worships? The priest will look after the maintenance of the worships, temples. Hindus mostly goes to the temples. And church, who will go? The Christians will go to the prayer to the churches. They have to worship their they pray to conduct in the churches like the festivals. They have to worship on the places. And Gurudwara. Gurudwara, who will go? The six religion people will go and they are associated with that. They pray to the God there on the places. Which places? Gurudwaras. Who will look after? The Sikh Gurus will look after the Gurudwaras. And next, Masjid. Masjid means Muslims will go to. Muslim people are goes to namaz on the place. They have to worship their festival style and they pray to the God on the Masque. Hindus will worship in the temples, in the festival times, and any means weekly or weekly twice or weekly once. Anything what will happen, it is good or bad, they have to go to the God and they have to worship in the temple. See, Christians will go to the church to their festival times and they have to pray on that time. Gurudwara also they will associate with the peoples and that prayer to the Gurudwaras. Muslims will worship in the places and that they have to do namaz in the places. Next one is the transport. Transport in villages, people use both tractors and bullock carts for the agriculture works. They have to use in the villages for that their agriculture works. Transport system in villages is not well developed like that in the cities. People use both tractors and bullock carts for the agriculture activities. Bullock carts are also used for traveling from one place to another. They also use auto rickshaws, cycles and buses to travel from one village to another village. Yes, transport system are not well developed in the villages than cities. Because of the peoples are used both for their works, mostly tractors and bullock carts in the villages. Because of their agriculture works or activities in the field, they have to take the tractors and bullock carts. In that they have to use from traveling from one place to another place, bullock cart also. Nowadays the auto rickshaws, buses, cycles they have to use to travel to one village to another village. Bus services from villages to city are not frequent and they operate according to fixed time schedule. The Gram Panchayat maintain the village roads and repairs them. Yes, the buses service are not from the villages, from the city. They not frequent and they operate according to the fixed schedule only. Because of that time, after time they won't send any buses to the villages from the city. Because of the road facility is not proper or animals, forest will be there middle of the village, that's only they don't send that. They have to fix schedule or buses travel. The Gram Panchayat maintain the village roads and repairs them. What are the problems are there? Village roads, Gram Panchayat will maintain the village roads and if any repairs are there, they have to repair the roads. I will show some pictures to you. See here. This is the places of worship, the people, the church, temple, Gurudwara and mosque. The people were worships their festival time. And next one, the travel system in the village. I will show to the picture. This is the travel picture in the villages. They have to travel bicycle, bullock cart, auto rickshaw, car, buses. Who wants like this? They have to go to like this. And here one answer the questions also there. Some questions. What do banks do? What do banks do? How the Grameen banks different from the another usual banks? How do banks? What do banks? The help in the banks to the loans offer to the people. And how do villages get clean drinking water? The water tanks, chlorination water will send it to the Gram Panchayat. They have to get from clean water. Where do the villages offer to pray to God? Who are look after that? The worships that Hindus goes to temple, Muslims goes to mosque, Christians goes to church and Sikhs goes to Gurudwara. The Gram Panchayat will, the priest will look after the maintenance of the worships. Next, name two models transports in villages. Modes of transports, what is that? Bullock cart and tractors, buses. These are the in villages transports. And this is our lesson completed. Nana, thank you. Next session we have to start another lesson.